Disclaimer.
Nobody was physically harmed in the making of this video. These are AI-generated characters and are for entertainment purposes only.
Oh my god! Oh, bro, I am so hyped. Dang, player 2, calm down, boy. It's still early, boy. We don't want to wake up our parents. Man, I know, man, but dang, I'm excited. Yeah, I am ready to play this. Can we get a rip scar in the chat? Girl, shut your crazy self up. Now, where you want to go? It's 3 new places. Let's go to that orange gaming building place. Yeah, all right. And I heard it was new bosses and new weapons. Oh, I'm hyped for that. Yep. Now let's go and explore. Ooh, this new spot, nice. Let's fight. Oh Lord, this new type Hitchman's now, Lord. And boy, this new type Hitchman's. Oh Lord. And I tell you this, there's a whole lot of them. I found the new boss. Why everything's so green? Did they add more hits? Hey, that girl behind you. Huh? Oh no! Hey! The new NPC boss. Let me kill it. Did he just fart and made everything green? Let me kill him. Ow! Oh, now we can finish up killing that dang on Hitchman. Oh, I think I found my go-to spot because he dropped a mythic shotgun. Dang, I wanted to hold it one time. I was busting my back trying to fight him. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of deserved it. But let's go to the end game. I can't wait to use my new shotgun, baby. They're gonna last people, girl. Shoot them. What even was that? What did I just see? A meteor? Hey, what in the BS is this? Oh Lord, we might have a chance. Keep shooting. All right, player 2, you take care of them bots. I take care of the real players. Hey, what is it? Alright, I try. So much happening in this game. Jesus. Let me kill these bots. Give me W. What even is that? My God! Player 2, you almost done? Yeah, they know it's heck. Oh no, we lost. I have so many questions. Bro, I just experienced a lot in this season. I don't even, this about to be crazy.